Align Chandler is well known across both commercial and aerospace for very complex bonded assemblies. The industries we are serving are aerospace, space, and defense. Founded in 1978, we've evolved into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that builds up complex assemblies. At Align Chandler, we have horizontal pallet pool machines, vertical mills, 3, 4, 5-axis milling capabilities, turn mill capabilities as well. And then we have integrated a great assembly area in Building 3. That's where you'd see the bonding and chassis being built up. For capacity, scale, accuracy, and performance, we are your partner for manufacturing excellence.